Good morning from the Ricardo's household. I've had a really crap day so far. It started off on the school run. After I dropped the kids off, I had to phone EE Mobile because I don't check my phone bills, I just pay them. And I checked the phone bill and they've been charging me nearly £2 a month for picture messaging, for sending certain messages every month for the past 18 months. And it gives you, on the bill, it actually gives you the message you've sent at the time and the date and the person. So I've cross-referenced all them messages, and not a one picture message in sight, just a regular standard message, text message. So EE, after 45 minutes, EE have refunded all the charges for 18 months. So I've got a bit back there. But who else are they conning? Crazy. And last night I had some good news, really. I'm just trying to cut my costs down a bit. So I've been with Sky nearly 2 years. Well, it will be next month, and I'm paying like £80 to £90. So I'm getting rid of them, and I've signed up with Virgin Media. I've been with Virgin Media before. I know they're all the same. They're all as bad as each other. But I've got a good deal with Virgin Media for 12 months. Then it goes up like say £15, and it's still cheaper than what I'm paying now. But in 12 months I can just change it again to Sky, and then Virgin will probably try and keep me and offer me a discount. So yeah, I'm moving to Virgin Media, so I'm going to save like £40 a month. It's not bad really, 40 quid a month. £40 a month. What else has annoyed me today? I went to Screwfix. Did a call and collect. Like you pay first, you go and collect it, and it wasn't there, it wasn't ready. So that's a nightmare. Then I had to go to a unit, pick up some presents for Sapphire, and then I forgot. And dinner time, I ain't really done know. What time is it? It's 12:30. I ain't done know today. I need to go to work. Dylan's been wrapping presents. But it's Tuesday night, which means it's canoe night. And I'm looking forward to getting a boat tonight. And I think Sapphire's coming with us. If she's not too tired, she'll probably sleep in the van on the way. But it's hot. It's another hot day. It's like 29 degrees. Get in all week. Better than Tenerife, isn't it? Right, guys. I'm gonna love you and leave you. I'm gonna get some work done. Dylan's not done much today, really. Just wrapping a few presents. Nice. Chilling it, having it. Gonna shake it. Give it a shake. It's smoking a bit, innit? Take it off. Now we've got more coming out. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Yes, Della went out last night. She's not best happy today. It's 4 PM. I think she's still in bed actually. So I've had to come to work, and I'm setting up a disco and a bounce castle today. This is a minion bouncy castle. So I'm in Leeds, so it's quite local to me really. Not a day to be lifting bounce castles. It's just too hot. I'm at a golf course actually, and as you can see the grass is pretty brown. Could do some rain. I've got to unload a full van. This is the setup all done. That's alright. And now I've got the bounce castle outside all set up. Still a nice evening. It's 7 o'clock and it's lovely and warm. All that's done. Just waiting for the guests now. We'll lock the van up. It's in full swing now. The guests are here. I don't start for another 20-25 minutes. It's not too bad. I forgot to mention earlier in the week we went canoeing, and I didn't edit that in. So I'm going to throw that in now. We had a great night. I took Sapphire on the river for the first time, and she absolutely loved it. So sit back and enjoy this clip. I shall see you in a bit, guys.
Are you ready to go in the water, Sophie? Yeah, I like your Nemo. Yeah. Do you want me to pass her up to you?
No, you're blowing up this up. Put your feet down there. What's camera?
Don't touch that camera.
They're comfy.
Oh, bless. She looks comfy.
Comfy. Yeah.
Serena's getting in. Sapphire's in the water. She's enjoying it. And there's Rena. Might be alright now. So they're going down the river. Gonna go all the way around, down there, and then they should come back that way, back to where they started. There's Mike and Sappy. There's Rena behind. So Sapphire has been on the boat with Mike all the way around. Yeah, so I'm just walking alongside the river with him. Just keeping an eye on her. But I don't think Mike's falling in today. Maybe Sapphire's balancing the boat out. Or maybe he's just being more careful. Might have to jump in and rescue her yet. Walking along this canal. Are you enjoying having Sappy here today? She's been cute. No. No, I saw you looking after her. When it's just you and Daddy. Did you fall in?
No.
Mike's getting out.
Watch Daddy fall in now.
I think it's playing.
Surely you can get out of that, Mike. Your legs are hurting it.
I'm pointing that way a bit.
Jack, hold me. Like Titanic.
All these paddles. Right, let me just grab onto his neck later. Right. You're laughing at your dad. I'll do it this time. Get it down. I'll go this way.
Just jump.
You can't see it first.
If you do it really fast.
You right rope, Jack?
I do. You wanting it?
Yeah, please, my friend.
Just stand up. Your boat's filling with water.
Can you not just sit on the back?
You've got a fish in your boat, mate.
What?
You've got a fish in your boat.
Just fishing boat.
Oh, it's a leaf. Thought you had a fish in your boat. Someone's drowned in that back.
Hang on. Let me just think about this. Let me just think about this.
Mate, come on.
Everyone's going to help him now. They've ruined it.
Just stand up.
On my way.
I thought this would have clubbed.
On my way.
Thank you very much, my friend.
We're doing team building.
Guys, boats off the half of the fish.
We start making his way over, yeah?
Someone drowning in the back.
I know. Whistle, Safi.
Someone got that part.
Safi. Show me your whistle.
You could watch this.
Yeah, I might do. Oh, that's cute, isn't it, Saf? Hey? Is that cute?
I've been on his boat.
You've been on his boat.
There, Safi. You just grab all the other paddles. Make sure you hold on to your paddles. Right.
We're alright.
Just not happy, are you? I think you need to go and fetch your daughter. Oh, dear.
Can I try and sit her in that side there?
Where?
Will she sit there or not?
You might fall in. Yeah.
I can see a nice space now.
Are you going backwards?
Go backwards. Are you alright? Go get out down here, do it.
Hold on to Dada.
Just got home from work. It's been nice night actually. Nice little wedding. Please like, subscribe, please leave a comment, and we'll see you soon. Take it easy.